In a major outreach to the OBC community, the government has announced the PM Vishwakarma scheme, which will benefit lakhs of artisans across the country. The OBCs comprise over 40% of India's population.
13-15 करोड़ रुपया से जो परंपरागत कौशल्य से रहने वाले लोग, जो औजार से और अपने हाथ से काम करने वाला वर्ग है, ज्यादातर ओबीसी समुदाय से, हमारे सुथार हो, हमारे सोनार हो, हमारे राजमिस्त्री हो, हमारे कपड़े धोने वाले काम करने वाले लोग हो, हमारे बाल काटने वाले भाई बहन परिवार हो, ऐसे लोगों को एक नई ताकत देने के लिए हम आने वाले महीने में विश्वकर्मा जयंती पर विश्वकर्मा योजना लॉन्च करेंगे और करीब 13-15 हजार करोड़ से उसका प्रारंभ करेंगे।
जिन्हें आज तक हमेशा चिंता की है, उनके बारे में सोचा है, उनके लिए कई प्रकार की योजनाएं बनाई है, उसी कड़ी में आज एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण योजना माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कैबिनेट में अप्रूव की है, वो है विश्वकर्मा योजना। इस योजना के मुख्य बिंदु हैं, सबसे पहला स्किलिंग का सपोर्ट, किस तरह से स्किल्स बढ़े, नए प्रकार के टूल्स, नए प्रकार के डिजाइन कैपेबिलिटीज, नए प्रकार के जो मार्केट को एक्सेस करने के तरीके हों, उन सब चीजों पे ध्यान सबसे पहले। और इसमें भी बहुत ही एक अच्छी व्यवस्था है। 2 तरह के स्किल प्रोग्राम होंगे, बेसिक और एडवांस्ड स्किल। और स्किल लेने के दौरान 500 रुपए पर डे का स्टाइपेंड भी मिलेगा। फिर मॉडर्न टूल्स खरीदने के लिए 15,000 रुपीज तक का सपोर्ट मिलेगा। दूसरा हुआ बड़ा इसका एलिमेंट क्रेडिट सपोर्ट। हम सब जानते हैं वर्किंग कैपिटल एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज बन के आता है और एक्सपेंशन में और काम के करने में कैपिटल की बहुत जरूरत रहती है। तो हमारे विश्वकर्मा समाज के सभी साथियों को 1 लाख रुपए तक का लोन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा।
An outlay of 13,000 crore rupees has been set aside for the Vishwakarma scheme for the next 5 years. It will benefit about 30 lakh families of traditional artisans and craftsmen, including weavers, goldsmiths, blacksmiths, laundry workers, and barbers. The scheme will start with 18 traditional trades. More will be added later. The scheme will be launched on the occasion of Vishwakarma Jayanti on the 17th of September, which is also the birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Under the scheme, artisans and craftsmen will be extended a credit support of up to 1 lakh rupees in the first tranche and 2 lakh rupees in the second tranche at a concessional interest rate of 5%. The government will also give 15,000 rupees to buy tools.
You know, Honorable Prime Minister from the Red Fort launched this scheme called Vishwakarma Yojana. We have also made provisions in the budget for it. In some regions it may stand for some costs, but what the Prime Minister has decided to do is to support these all over India, spread all over, artisans who produce that which symbolizes India's excellence in skills. They may carve out a beautiful murti out of a stone, or they may do such painting on paper or on palm leaves, or even processed old clothes. On that, most of the Pattachitra with natural colors. So Prime Minister's intention of supporting these people who actually denote the soft power of India, the cultural heritage of India is carried on their shoulders. So the Honorable Prime Minister's intention of wanting to support them is what is Vishwakarma Yojana, which will get launched on September 17th, and we are very proud to be here in Raghurajpur in this context.
According to a statement from the government, the beneficiaries will also be provided skill upgradation, toolkits, and incentive for digital transactions and marketing support. Politically, it is being seen as an attempt to woo the numerically dominant OBC community by covering workers not covered under the employment schemes like barbers, masons, jewelers, blacksmiths, and potters. The government is ensuring the support of one of India's biggest voting blocs. It is also being seen as an attempt by the BJP to change its pro-upper caste image.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and government for taking an historical decision in yesterday's cabinet meeting that PM Vishwakarma, which was announced in the last budget session, wherein 140 small caste occupational groups for their livelihood, for the empowerment and upliftment of these downtrodden sections who are traditionally artisans and crafts belonging to rural and urban India. So yesterday the cabinet has given a green signal for launching this PM Vishwakarma on 17th September. Happens to be the Vishwakarma Jayanti. And I feel it is a gift on the birthday of our Modi ji to the people of these downtrodden and weaker sections.
The OBC vote will play a significant role in the assembly elections this year, especially in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Chhattisgarh, all states which have a high population of people from these communities.